pop for dark colors. I still like to water pop exotics, hickories, maples, but I don't have to be fully dry to start staining.
Okay.
Because I'm water based.
Right.
I just don't want it heavily saturated because then the color can't grab because it's already kind of filled the wood and preventing the pigment from grabbing. Sweat doesn't affect the stain. It's not warm enough for you to generate sweat, so I like to do this to kind of help replicate sweat as best I can, to leave a little puddle of water. Paint pad, brush, whatever you want to use for cutting, works just fine.
So you always water pop when you use all the stuff?
Darker colors, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Later colors, not necessarily.
Okay.
This is our tobacco.
Nice.
So tobacco is a dark brown.
Yeah.
What I like to show of tobacco on maple is traditionally a dark brown on maple has heavy black splotches. You can't stop it from grabbing texture, but this tends to be far more uniform than what a guys typically see with a traditional oil stain. So I like to show it on maple because of how strong it is. I'll just keep my rows narrow just to kind of replicate a little bit of time.
So what about overlapping? You just got to make sure everything's wet?
Yeah. That's why I'll do it like I am, where we'll create some laps, we'll kind of stop, give it a little bit of time. Maples are always scarier than oaks, just because of the nature of maple. I'm a big fan of a highly absorbent rag, whatever it is that works for you. I like terry cloth personally, just because I just find that they're really nice and absorbent, but I've seen guys get away with kind of a thermal towel. They're like old blankets from hospitals and things.
That looks like the brown that Lobo uses.
Yeah.
And that's straight tobacco, Tim?
Straight tobacco.
That's beautiful.
But you can't overwipe it. That's one of the things that guys have done with water-based stains in the past.
Straight tobacco over maple. No blotchiness whatsoever.
Not this. Wipe it thoroughly. Your laps are going to come from having inconsistency more than they will from the fact that the stain did or didn't soak in. So the pigment's going to grab fast. Start wiping it. No risk, worry. But you can already see that puddle, you know, doesn't leave this massive discoloration.
How much of a section can you do at a time?
I like to kind of keep it so I'm crawling it. I never liked crawling in the stain, but I have had guys crawling it. So I guess it's up to you.
Say you do it. Say you do a 3 curve. You know, say you do from where about you're at now.
Sure.
Okay? And you've got, say you're doing a 60-foot length. Then you've got 2 guys behind you wiping it.
Keep on going. Yeah.
Keep on going.
Yeah.
So once you're done,
Starting the first
start.
one, keep on going.
Just keep it going.
That's exactly what I do.
Okay.
So when you put what about the overlap? You want overlap? You got to just get a lot really wet, right?
I do like to re-wet my edge.
Yeah.
Some guys talk about leaving this edge wet,
Yeah.
not wipe it thoroughly. Don't do that. Here's why. You're allowing that pigment to dry. And once that dries on there, it's going to be hard to wipe that excess off. So I say wipe that completely dry, come back, overlap it, wipe that completely dry.
So you're saying.